CNBC has partnered with Acorns, the saving and investing app, on a financial wellness and education initiative called Invest in You, Ready, Set, Grow. Our next guest says the bull market means the time is right for financial scams. Ben Carlson's the author of the new book, Don't Fall For It, A Short History of Financial Scams. He joins us now to talk about keeping your money safe. Bull market equals watch out. Is that what the message is?
Yes. Anytime that people decide to start taking more risks and interest rates go down, people get this fear of missing out, and the time is just ripe to take advantage of people.
Yeah. What to look out for, right? I mean, it's easy to say, okay, watch out. But what should investors be especially looking out for the people who are watching their money? Certainly
high-pressure sales tactics. Anytime someone tries to get you to do something really quickly, and they say that you have to take a very fast approach to something, that's always something to look out for.
You say also, watch out for when a money manager has custody of your assets.
That was the biggest thing Bernie Madoff did that made it easy to falsify the statements. You should always have that third party holding the assets, so it's in the client's name. So you can outsource all that you want to a financial advisor, investment manager, but that investment manager shouldn't have access to those funds.
So you looked at the whole history of financial scandals and scams, and I think you picked like the most important ones that illustrate specific points. I have this idea that it's not necessarily the bull market that causes the scams to happen. It's that the aftermath of the bull market is when they all get revealed, because people all of a sudden want their money out because the economy gets better. I think that's what happened with Madoff. Is there some element of truth to that? Like, is that what we always find after a run like we've had?
And there were these massive frauds taking place in the roaring 1920s as well. The Great Depression came, and all of them came to light. Right. Some almost as big as Madoff on that scale if you take it to today's dollars. And yeah, it's the Buffett quote of when the tide comes out, you figure out who's been swimming naked. And when it comes to financial fraud, it's really hard to keep those going.
So if you're a regular investor watching this, is there like a checklist? Like what are the 2 or 3 things that no matter what you invest in, you should just verify before you put money into something?
I think the easiest one these days, back in the day, it was easy to just say, trust us, we got this. Don't worry about it, we'll handle everything. It's easier than ever today to just look stuff up and figure out some evidence behind anything. And so it's easy you can always outsource any of your investment portfolio, your financial planning, but you can't outsource your understanding of what's going on with your money.
Hey, Ben, in this low interest rate environment, which has gone on for so long, are you seeing that more scams today are oriented towards yield? Hey, I'll get you 8, 9, 10% in a nice safe bond-like investment. I would think that's rather prevalent today.
Yeah, anytime someone makes a promise with you about certain returns, back in the day it was, we'll give you 30, 40, 50% returns. After 2008, it's more, we'll give you this steady income stream, and trust me, your principal's not going to be touched. We can get you certain income, and don't worry about it. No risks involved, no effort on your part. Yeah, anytime someone makes those types of promises, you're just going to have to accept the volatility to make money these days. And anytime someone promises you that, it's probably something going on there.
Good luck with the book. Thanks for coming by.
Thank you.
Ben Carlson again. Don't fall for it. A short history of financial scams. And you can always follow us. Invest in You. Go to cnbc.com/invest in you. That's cnbc.com/invest in you. And one last thing, we should note that NBC Universal and Comcast Ventures are both investors in Acorns.